Alright, this the bird spot. First part
What you doing?
of the prank call session.
Yeah,
Hold up.
You look kind of vicious, nigga. Oh my.
This the whole bird squad right here.
Dang, that girl said Malik.
I was like, dang.
I don't know who this attention nigga is, but he just part of the bird squad.
Do you have to put the brightness on?
I gotta practice, bro. You feel me?
Yeah. What it is? Vivi. Bird.
That hurt too.
Hello, Bobby. Is this Bobby? This is not Bobby. I need you to bring me some new propane. Bobby, are you sure this is not you? This is Bobby. Can you send me some new propane? What? Hold on. Shit. Bobby, are you still there? Bobby, are you still there? Would you like to go to the club to meet next Friday? Okay, so just know that when we get down there, we're not going to turn down. If you do, turn down for what?
Alright.
This is fine with you? Okay, I'm going to hand down my phone down to my home. Okay, is that fine with you? All right.